Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make round corners in CapCut. Quite easy and straightforward. Let me show how. First of all, select the video. Then what you need to do here is to go to video, mask, add mask, and then select rectangle. Then just make right size of the video that you want to do. So for example, let's make it like this. And then what you need to do here is to press this button here and drag to top, right? And make as much round corners as you want. And yeah, that's basically it, what you need to do here. So if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Also, I forgot to mention that is the pro, that this feature is pro version. So if you want to get 7-day free trial of CapCut, click the link in the description or in the comments, register to me, and you get 7-day free trial. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.